Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Micheline from Americana Long Arm Quilting. We do custom quilting and long arming, and you can find a link to our website in the description below. Today, I wanted to take just a few minutes of your time, talk to you about what's been happening, what's going to be happening, and a great sale that we've got going on. First of all, let me talk to you a little bit about what's been going on in my life. Late in December, Savannah, the great editor-in-chief, and her wonderful fiance Matt got married. So exciting. And yesterday, my son Troy and Maggie got married. So yay, I am the proud mama of two happily married children. They picked fabulous people, and I know they're going to have a wonderful life together. I wish them all the best. Okay, another fantastic thing that's happened, and this was just Thursday, it'll be 2 weeks. Domino had puppies. Yes, we've got a litter of puppies, 11 happy, healthy, wiggly little Great Dane Mastiff mix puppies, and they are gorgeous. So I can't wait to share their growth with you on this channel. So in December, we did a lot of cleaning in here, and I color coded all my fabrics, and boy, did that help when Savannah and I were putting this box together today, and I'll tell you a little bit more about this in just a minute. But first, let me tell you about that fantastic sale we've got going on. So as a thank you in December for helping me reach 15,000 subscribers in just a little over a year of having this YouTube channel up, we decided to do a sale on all of our patterns. So all the patterns that we had made in 2024 and the few that we did in 2023, I think there were 20 of them in all, we put in a bundle, and we were offering that to you for $12.99. Because I only made a short video of that, not many people saw it. So I don't know that, somebody missed it and they might like to take advantage of that sale. So we have decided to extend that sale until Valentine's Day. And I have a feeling this is going to be a yearly thing. I bet we do this again next year. But not only can you get a great library of patterns to make, but you can also, there'll be a code in there for you to get a discount on my long arming services. So kind of a double thing there. I hope you'll take advantage of that. It is a great big thank you for helping me start a successful channel, hopefully. And I hope that you'll continue to watch and comment and enjoy. Okay, that leads us into the future. So I was referencing this a minute ago. This is going to be the fabrics that we use for our Valentine quilt. Savannah put it together today, and it was so much easier. If you guys haven't color coded your fabrics yet, spread them all out all over the kitchen counter if you have to, and color code them. It was so easy to go to the green box, the red box, the pink box, and find all these fabrics. We didn't have to open up every single box that I've got and search through to see if there was reds or pinks or greens. It was just pick up those particular boxes and bring them over to the table and hunt through them. So this is going to be our Valentine quilt. We're going to make a throw size quilt. It is going to be we're going to be using kind of an old rosebud block. But we're going to put a little twist on it, of course, and we're going to add a heart to it. And I really think you'll like that. So that's one of the things that's coming up. The next video coming up should be my remake of an antique quilt that I picked up at an antique mall up in Kentucky when I was visiting Savannah last. So some really fun, exciting things. I'm even going to do a little bit of a video on what I do in my drapery workroom for you. So maybe some of you will find that interesting. I would love to hear from you. Is there a block that you want to see me make? Is there something on the farm you'd like to see? Is there some kind of video that you would like to see me make? I am open to suggestions. Right, Willow? Yeah, we are. All right. Well, it wouldn't be a video of mine without a bunch of dogs coming in. Here's Ranger. Oh boy, now it's going to get crazy. Yes, Ranger, hi. All right, so please like, share, and subscribe. Do all the things that make that algorithm sing. And until next time, stay quilting. Bye, everybody. Okay, that's enough.